All right, so what's up? I go by the name of Chris Ferguson, and I'm gonna jump straight into it. If you're new to fitness and you wanna get yourself in shape, doing push-ups is a good way that you can kind of start the process from home. You don't need any weights, you don't need a gym membership. So start out slow and just pace yourself, but just be consistent. Like in life in general, be consistent. Go ahead and set your mind right now that listen, I'm gonna do 50 push-ups a day for the next week, and I'm gonna stay committed until I start seeing results. The first 2 weeks, they're the most important weeks in your weight loss or muscle building journey, because once you start seeing those results in the first 2 weeks, you're gonna get hooked. So just get your mind right and be motivated to do it. Now, one thing about push-ups is doing them the proper way, getting the proper form. Like a lot of people do push-ups like this. See, that's not the proper way to do push-ups. You want to get the full range of motion. So how I do push-ups is, and I suggest you do push-ups this way too. Pay attention to my arms and my back. I'm going all the way down and I'm fully extending. I'm kind of sticking my back up in the air just a little bit. Now, I'm not a real technical guy when it comes to muscle breakdown and different muscles. I just know what to do and I get results. So I'm gonna do a set. Matter of fact, let's do a set together. So I'm gonna give you a chance. Take your shirt off, get right, and get it out of your living room. We're gonna do a quick set together. All right, let's get it. We're gonna do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, depending on your conditioning and your shape, you might need to take a break between every 10. But I suggest, if you're just starting out, knock out 10 push-ups, give yourself a 2-minute break. 2-minute break in between, then jump back down and do some other push-ups. So let's go ahead and do another set. We're gonna do diamond push-ups. Now, diamond push-ups, they're good for your triceps. So let's just get straight to it. We're gonna do a set of 10 of these. Let's get it. Now, keep in mind, still, let's get the full range of motion each time, locking out those arms. Like a lot of people make the mistake of going like this, doing diamond push-ups. That's not it. Full range of motion. Let's get it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So depending on your shape and your condition will kind of determine how many you do. But I say if you're just starting out, do 10. Take a 2-minute break and get down and do another 10. Go up to 50. Tell yourself you're gonna do this every day, every single day. Do this every single day for 7 days. See if you have any results. I know you're gonna have some results. By the second week, you should be able to do 60, 70, 80. Just continue. You know what I'm saying? When you first start working out, you're not really gonna see too many results. You're gonna feel like it's not working. But I guarantee you after like 2 weeks, if you see somebody that you hadn't seen in a while and they notice like, dang bro, you losing weight, it's gonna give you that motivation to keep going. First 2 weeks is the hardest. You're gonna be sore, so it. Get through it, you know what I'm saying? Push through it, believe in yourself, and you can do it, man.